Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription, a resource group, and a storage account. These are required. Open the Azure portal or terminal and sign into Azure CLI with Az login. Pick a runtime such as NET or Node and select a nearby region to reduce latency. Once done, decide on consumption plan versus dedicated plan based on cost and scale needs. Now create or select a resource group so resources stay organized, and prepare a unique name for the function app. You create the function app next. In the portal, choose Create Resource, pick Function App, enter the app name, runtime stack, OS, and region, then link the storage account and hosting plan. If you prefer CLI, run as Function App create with name, storage, plan, and runtime flags to automate it. Once created, go to Configuration to add app settings like connection strings or runtime-specific keys, and set deployment credentials or enable GitHub Actions. This guarantees you can push code and you finish by deploying your function and verifying it runs. Use VS Code Deploy, GitHub Actions, or Zip Deploy to push code. Once deployed, open the function URL or use the test pane in Portal to invoke it. Monitor logs and application insights or the log stream to confirm execution and performance. If things go wrong, check configuration values, ensure the storage account is linked and accessible, verify runtime version compatibility, and confirm you haven't hit subscription quotas. Adjust settings and redeploy after fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.